Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accident. 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 Accident is a common English noun used to describe an event that occurs by chance or without intention, resulting in unexpected and often unfortunate consequences. Accidents can happen in various contexts, from everyday life to more serious incidents. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The car crash was a terrible accident that resulted in injuries to several people. Why accident is used in example number 1. Accident is used to describe the car crash as an unfortunate event that occurred unintentionally, causing harm to individuals. Example number 2. I spilled coffee on my laptop this morning, but it was just an accident. Why accident is used in example number 2. Accident is used to explain that the coffee spill was not intentional, emphasizing that it happened by chance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.